I'm Devi Kalyani. I'm trained as an architect urban designer. In IHS, I work in the practice program. Largely interested in working on projects which has implementation, more on implementation. So working closely with public agencies or even corporate sector agencies. That's the core interest. And currently, I've been working also with the other executive program of IHS, which is the UPP. Coordinating on certain, programs on housing and planning and development. Probably when I finished architecture and did my master's in urban design, GIS was not a tool that was really taught to us in college. However, over the years, we have also learned that application of GIS in terms of in planning and development is very key, because in terms of analysis of the data, both in terms of the spatial form and also the MIS data that it can integrate along with it. So definitely I did not have any idea or learned GIS earlier. So that's why this prompted me to come to GIS, to take the basic course in GIS. And the course was definitely interesting. And it gave us new views on what are the new avenues of web applications that are available, how you can process your MIS data directly in terms of getting the spatial data, or data in terms of better presentation techniques that you can use. So those are the learnings. However, I am also intending to learn the advanced course in GIS, because for me, being an architect, urban designer, and interested in planning related projects, application of GIS is definitely one of the key tools which would help me in better analysis of the projects, and also in terms of better representation of your analysis in terms of your report or presentations. So that is why. Currently, there are a couple of opportunities that I foresee that I can start applying whatever basic tools that I've learned in GIS. One is through the Ford case studies, which I'm trying to see if how I can use GIS as a tool in terms of my analysis for building the case development. So that's one area. Apart from that, the overall area of interest for me also lies in planning, also looking at land development and politics. So even studying land, even as an initiative, especially in terms of land conversions and that impacts of those on development, GIS definitely is a better tool, and I'm looking forward to applying this tool in the forthcoming projects. Definitely, I mean, GIS is a tool which is highly innovative and dynamic in nature, which I think any professional person in dealing with urban or not urban can use GIS as a tool. But however, I would recommend this course purely for students who are in urban planning and development, not necessarily only from the planning perspective, but also from the perspective of transportation, power, various other core sectors which influences urban development. In terms of analysis, representation, and even in terms of when they're doing report writing, that gives a reader or the client or the person who is actually the recipient of your output a better knowledge in terms of what kind of analysis has gone through in the project.